Hey Beau, quick, give us an impromptu vlog intro.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how it's going? Guys.
Take two, take three. All right. What's up, guys? Today we're deleting our YouTube channel. What's up, guys? This is Willie and the rest of the boys.
Hi.
That intro didn't go quite as planned, but we're gonna do a little vlog in the shop today. Max said nope, because he hates us all. Matt, what are you doing?
I have blown up G35.
Blew up my G35s when I'm cutting the exhaust off.
So now you cut your exhaust off?
Yes, I gotta pull the engine and...
Hey, limiter's not for everybody, okay?
Yeah.
Limiter when you have no oil in it.
Yeah, who would have thought when you're bouncing off the rev limiter with no oil and no coolant, she blows up. It's crazy. All right, Max, what do you guys do to this thing so far?
So last night, I just started pulling some of the wiring out, and the cowl and the hood, and windshield wipers. Try and make some space. It's like small, tedious to try and get out of the way before we started on it this morning. And then this morning, Beau and Matt pulled the front end off the car, and I just kind of sat back. Then we used the proper tools to discharge the AC.
Sounds about right.
We pulled the radiator and condenser out of it, pulled the sway bar down, get it out of the way, pulled the power steering pump off, just some small really. The exhaust is coming off right now.
What's next after that?
Then Matt has to pull the slave cylinder off the side of the trans and disconnect the drive shaft and motor mounts. And I think it should come out. It's gonna be a tight squeeze.
Yeah, sure, it looks like
Just
it.
the way I like it.
This is like a tough spot right down here.
Tight squeeze, just a little. Oh, nice and close, baby. Yeah.
Looking, baby.
Nope.
You can see I've never pulled a G35 motor before, but you can see that the steering shaft is very close to the exhaust.
Oh, I can't see it, but it's right down there.
Focus, GoPro, you fat.
Ooh, hello.
That's why you don't film with a GoPro. This guy says he's done cutting, but I don't believe him, so.
That was all I had on my car for an exhaust.
Really?
Yep. That flex.
That flex tube looks great.
Yeah.
Nice. What kind of mod do you call that?
Y-pipe mod,
This is the Y-pipe mod?
G35 one, no,
How much horse pony powers did you get from it?
6.9.
6.9 horse ponies?
.420.
Oh my god, he hit us with the 420.
The cats, it's broken off. They're not connected to the exhaust anymore. You see that bracket that runs across, like left?
I think Matt and Max are getting close to pulling this bad boy out. I think Matt's also gonna replace his windshield while we got it this far because there's a fat old crack in it. What are you doing over here, Dirty Dan?
That's the worst part, man.
What are you working on?
Cleaning it all up and then gonna prep it for paint.
It's your R65 frame?
Yeah.
Thanks, son. You really got her torn down.
Not too shabby.
Need some help? I can hold a light for you.
I'll grab a brush and start scrubbing, baby.
Everything about it.
But it seems like pretty decent construction.
I don't know what you said.
I, Beau Brandt, have the new earmuffs.
Those are the new earmuffs?
Oh,
Like,
yeah, my bad.
These are the earmuffs.
Oh,
Try those.
3M too.
There you go.
Yeah, those work good.
Silly guy.
better than your car.
These.
What?
We are thumper swapping the G35.
This is for poop shooters only.
We're gonna pull the VQ and slap in whatever the DRZ motor's called.
It's the K419124734.
Oh, perfect.
That's my address, dude.
That must be how much horsepower it makes.
Dude, you just said it on the internet.
Don't give them our address.
Every time I film you, I gotta go like this. Not like that, because you're like so tall.
Stuck on something.
Yeah, it looks like my headers are stuck. Or not my header, but the downpipe over here.
Both of them or just the one?
I can't see
That one's
side.
touching the steering shaft. I think if we just go straight up, that header might, or that downpipe might clear.
I would agree.
Almost keister the snap-on ratchet.
Oh, hold on.
Yep, I heard it.
Yeah, I know what it is though. It's the O2 sensor.
Oh, great. It's the front one, too.
Yeah.
The one that actually works.
Yeah.
What are you fellas doing?
I'm trying to rebuild these carbs that I took like 4 pictures of.
Like 4 months ago?
Yeah.
I was like 2.
I was definitely like 4, dude.
Sounds like fun.
Well, you want to jack it up a little bit?
I think you should be good to pull out straight.
I'm good to pull out?
I think.
Don't tell me when to pull out. Yeah.
This is gonna make me want to spend so much money now.
Yep.
Like, oh, I should get new headers too. Oh, I should get a new fuel rail. I should get new injectors.
Just get a new car. Just kidding.
No, the drift missile will be a thing.
Yeah. The advanced front midship lives on.
The
Missile.
advanced front midship does live on.
We just call it the...
Yeah.
Hold on. How about we call it? Hold on. Oh my god, it's so bright in your face.
Look at how big it is. It's so sick.
What's up with your drift missile right now, dude? This thing went...
I'm telling you right now, this is the perfect time to swap in a 5.3.
Why'd this thing go from daily to drift missile like...
I don't even have a daily now.
Yeah.
Basically because blown. Oh, never mind. You're more interested in the McDonald's.
What?
Just trying to explain why it turned into a drift missile.
Oh, why did it?
Because I blew the engine. So, f it.
Why'd you blow it?
Oh, I didn't put oil in it.
Did it take... Hey Tit, how was your clutch?
Not good. Definitely. Well, I mean, you can see it's gone.
Yeah, I'd say that could be better.
That's not the right size. 55 at least.
Good. Hot spotting right there.
Hot spots.
I don't even do burnouts that often.
That often, huh? It's supposed to slip, right?
Yeah, donuts last week.
True. Hey Matt, I didn't know you were into pulling trannies.
What can I say?
Did you just COVID right in my ear?
No, I got a nicotine addiction.
I got a nicotine addiction.
This is the heaviest flywheel I've ever felt in my life.
This is the worst video that's ever been filmed.
Shut the f up!
My entire life.
Can someone feel this for me and tell me how heavy this is?
Holy that's a heavy.
What is it, like 6, 7?
No.
Like 30.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
40?
It's 30 pounds at least.
I had an 8-pound one in the Type S. That's not 8 pounds.
You can have this back, dude. I don't want it.
You can have this back here.
Another belt here, a Nissan Master Tech now.
Dude, I can add it to your resume.
Come on.
Yup.
I got a 30-pound flywheel in my hand.
He's done 2 350Z engine swaps now.
And Subaru Master Tech. Go ahead. Come on, guys.
A round of applause.
Good work, brother. Good work. That's God bless.
Subaru!
Wait, you forgot Buick.
No!
There you go.
You got it all.
He's ready to roll. He's soon about to be a Honda boy.
Boy's done.
You know what's coming. And video outro.
Yo, today I rebuilt the carbs to the BMW
Nope, wrong video.
R65. Max and Matt pulled the piece of in V6 out of this piece
Skyline
Nissan.
VQ.
That was way wrong.
That's what they call it. in
They pulled
Japan.
it out of there.
My girlfriend's mad at me. Sorry, Annette.
Clutch is torched, absolutely torched. But he's slamming
In the
gears.
hole.
Yes. It's out. It's good.
It's the only way
it's
to
fine.
drive it.
Everything's cool. We're gonna pull it apart. All the rod bearings can be shot.
And mains and thrust.
New motor.
Cam's head.
Used.
From Japan.
Anyways, the big deal is huge progress on the R65.
Wash the frame.
Huge progress on that. Excited. It's gonna be sweet. Skin's over here eating beef jerky.
They don't even know what R65. You haven't even shown that yet.
Yo,
Hey, shut
also,
up! It's a secret.
Can we take a second to appreciate how fucking messy this place is right now?
Oh, it's fine.
It's so sick. Sorry, dude.
It's been better. Yeah, I don't know about that.
Hey, give a look at how Tit's projects are going.
I don't need to move the camera. I'll just go like this. All right, is this the end?
You know what kids you're needing? You guys spend a lot of money.
Yeah.
Horns up for the boys. Party on.
Sorry.
I love getting in close with the
Right on the
schnoz.
schnoz. Yeah, it's big boy.